now?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, this is my,
Does that have volume?
probably. Yeah, obviously it does. This is my little design. This is for my, box mag. What I do is take a couple pieces of wood, drill in your stock holes, and then you take some tubing and some copper, glue it all together. That way you don't have to hack up the rip clip at all. You can just take that off and you can strap it right onto the gun as usual. And we're going to do a little test fire on my PKM gun design. Show you how it works. I just ran out of paintballs, guys. That's why. Plus, these are shitty. And then here's the gun design. Allows you to actually put your face through, so you can see through the optics. And then I built my own little trigger and a carry handle. And that's about it, guys.